Welcome back to another quick guide. Today, we'll walk you through how to make an emoji on iPhone. Here are some steps to make a custom emoji or memoji on your iPhone. First, open the Messages app. Then tap on any conversation or start a new message. Tap the plus button on the left part of the icon next to the text field. Tap the Emoji or monkey face icon, then tap on Continue. Swipe right and tap New Memoji with a plus sign. Customize your memoji by choosing skin, hairstyle, brows, eyes, head, and more. Swipe through the options and adjust its feature as desired. When finished, tap Done in the top right corner. Your memoji is now saved and can be used in messages, stickers, or FaceTime. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.